I'm going to show you how to update OpenAI's Codex. So the first way to update it is to use the Codex CLI or the command line tool by running the following command, which is npm install-g openai/codex, which will require npm to be installed or node. And once you run this, it will check and install the latest version. You can also check your current version by running codex space -- version, and this will print out the version, which you can check if you have the version you want. The second way to update it is if you're using Codex as an extension in your IDE. So for example, VS Code here, you can basically go to the extensions tab. You can click on it from here and then search for Codex. And if you click on it, you should see update button here if you have a old version, which you can just click on and it will update your codex to the latest version. You can also switch to pre-release versions if you want to test them. The third way is to update it or update the desktop app. If you have Codex desktop app, you're likely going to update it or check for updates from the Microsoft Store by searching for Codex, and then just update it from here if there is any available updates. They should potentially automatically update it whenever there is an update available. Otherwise, if you just didn't get it, you can uninstall the app and then download the new installer from the Codex website right here, openai.com/codex. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.